In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Android bedtime data. Now, it's quite easy. I'll show you how to do this via settings with Digital Wellbeing, and then I'll show you how to do this with the Google Clock. You can go through any option you use to set it up. Now, on your Android phone, you want to open settings, and under settings here, you want to scroll till you find Digital Wellbeing. Now, you'll sometimes find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control together. Simply tap on this, and it'll bring you here. Here you want to scroll down till you find Bedtime Mode. Tap on this. Now tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen and you see manage your data. Here you want to scroll down a little and you see delete bedtime data. You can proceed on tapping on delete and this will clear out all your bedtime data. To access this via Google Clock, you want to open the Google Clock. Here you're going to see the three dots here. You see manage data and you see the option to delete bedtime data. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.